This is Rob. At first glance, he is just a regular man. But that's only at first glance. In reality, he has super abilities. Because he has Volterman. At first glance, Volterman is just a regular wallet. But that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design. And it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Volterman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Volterman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You're my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Volterman notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. Thanks. Got it.
Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
And there's more. Volterman has great functions for travelers as well. When you need internet anywhere in the world, instead of expensive roaming, you can use Volterman's Wi-Fi hotspot, which is way cheaper than regular roaming.
Go ahead, talk as long as you want.
I'm telling you, my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Sometimes, at very important moments, your battery dies.
Cut. This is a problem that happens way too often. We can't have just one scene in the video for this. Folks, you try and remember how many times your phone has died at the worst possible moment. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. Not only is Volterman super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
The idea of Volterman started 2 years ago, and our team of engineers and designers have been working tirelessly on creating a perfect mix of design and technology. And here it is in its final shape, packed with super abilities.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls and the technology inside MicroDrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to MicroDrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
Hello, Mrs. Dunn. I have a new device for your car. Your seat has some amazing features. And I already installed it. Let's check it out.
Islands? We've always believed that there's a better way to harvest energy, to empower our customers with a product that's just as relentless as they are. In 2016, we began our journey to harvest the world's wasted energy and use it to make charging electronics obsolete. Thanks to the loyal support of our backers and early supporters, we've begun to realize this vision. Our first product, PowerWatch, introduced our technology to the world. Powered by body heat, PowerWatch delivered smartwatch functionality without ever needing to charge. Today, we are excited to announce our second generation product, PowerWatch 2.
We've spent the last 2 years refining our technology and process so that we can push PowerWatch even further. We've also listened closely to feedback from our customers to understand which features are most important to them. PowerWatch 2 is an all-purpose smartwatch equipped with onboard GPS positioning, intelligent heart rate monitoring, gesture recognition, and a full-color LCD display. The best thing about PowerWatch 2 is that it never needs to be charged. Improved thermoelectric generators and solar cell technology make it the world's most powerful smartwatch. We've also created an all-new smartphone app with exciting new features. It includes activity, calorie and sleep tracking, all new fitness metrics, and compatibility with third-party health and fitness apps like Apple Health Fit and Google Fit.
We are incredibly grateful to our backers for their patience and support as we built and shipped our first product. After weathering shipping delays, we have gained invaluable experience. We have made critical improvements to our processes to ensure that future products will arrive on schedule. We've also added an in-house firmware team so that we have complete development control to provide a superb user experience. At Matrix, we have worked relentlessly to capture and utilize the world's wasted energy. Please back our campaign today to help us make charging electronics a thing of the past.
We are the founders of Planet Computers, and innovation is at the heart of our company. Earlier this year, we successfully delivered our Gemini PDA product to more than 7,000 backers who supported our mission to kickstart a new mobile computing revolution. We're excited to say that the revolution continues and that we're extending the range of Planet devices with the Cosmo Communicator, our new flagship device.
In creating this device, we tried to make it truly an all-in-one communicator, the only device that you need to carry around with you. It's built to be an amazing phone, a wonderful camera, and a superb pocket computer.
Hi, I'm Martin Briddyford. When I designed the original Gemini, I was looking to make it as slim and sleek as possible. We got fantastic feedback from the user community, so we've introduced a whole bunch of new features into the new device. We've got a fingerprint sensor on the outside which enables you to hold it in portrait mode. You can send and receive calls from the same smart button. It's got a 24 megapixel camera, and when you open it up, it's got a backlit keyboard for when you want to use it in dark places. We hope you like it.
Planet Computers introduces the Cosmo Communicator, a modern dual-screen clamshell-based mobile communicator with an integrated keyboard. The Cosmo features dual displays. It features an external colour touchscreen display for easy phone call control and notifications. Tucked away inside the beautiful and sleek award-winning clamshell design is an ultra-wide 6-inch colour touchscreen display, providing ample space to create on the move with a great tactile PDA keyboard that is fully integrated into the device. When open, the innovative clamshell also acts as a support of the device, allowing you to type comfortably. Cosmo's newly designed backlit keyboard allows you to comfortably work at night or in dark spaces, such as on long plane journeys, without the need of external lighting. The Cosmo Communicator also comes fully equipped with a great 24 megapixel camera. To take a selfie or for a quick snap, you can operate the camera, zoom and flash without opening the clamshell. We have selected a great worldwide LTE phone modem to make the Cosmo a truly amazing phone, fast enough to be able to handle dual SIM 4G connections for both phone calls and data communications. It also features Bluetooth, NFC and Wi-Fi data communication. Cosmo's innovative toggle switch provides superior security for the device with an integrated fingerprint sensor and call answer buttons, avoiding accidentally accepting calls from the devices in your pocket or handbag. The Cosmo is based on the powerful MediaTek P70 8-core processor plus separate GPU and AI processors. It has a massive 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of flash memory, ample storage for today's power users. Cosmo's large 4,220 mAh battery provides ample power for all day and even 2-day usage. It is designed to run the latest Android 9 operating system and all your favourite apps, as well as Linux-based operating systems with a multi-boot option. You can easily run Microsoft Office for Android apps, as well as Planet's own PDA software suite, including the Agenda calendaring app, Notes app for note-taking and dictation, the Data database app, and our new email app, Airmail. Cosmo allows you to work in restricted spaces comfortably, on planes, on trains, in coffee bars. You can also hold the Cosmo and use it with ease whilst in the car, standing up, or on the bus. It's the only device you need to carry, and small enough to fit in your pocket. It's a true all-in-one replacement for both your mobile phone and your laptop. We hope that you like our new device and that you can help us make it a reality.
We hope you like our new device.
Please support us on Indiegogo.